Welcome back, guys. Thank you guys for joining me again. This time I have a Jason's Agenda subscription box for her February. I used the... Hold on. Papaya. Go ahead. Cierra la puerta. Yeah. Alright, sorry. Had a little toddler trying to sneak in here. I pulled it out of the box and everything, and I'm just kind of removing the tissue here, but I do get her, what is this, the Deluxe subscription box, which is this right here. And this just kind of lays out everything that comes in here. Mostly what I want, and I'm thinking in the future I might change it, will be because I love to change my discount covers. So I love that. I love like her page flags and stuff like that, but a lot of the times I find myself that I'm not using these extra goodies that come with it, and so I've been kind of hopping around and trying to think if it's something I want to keep, downgrade. A lot of times I do like her extra items, and a lot of times I do not. This was an extra add-on that I added. This is the copper disc. I got the 1 1/4 inch, and then after I placed the order I realized that I need the 1.5 inch. So we will see if this will work for February. I might have to make some adjustments just so I can use it so it goes well with the thing. And then here are the extra things that came with it. This erasable friction, oh no, is it? Yes. Friction pen. And then this beautiful index card. I'm not sure what it's called. February 2024. I might include this somewhere in my thing. Alright, and then it's just a normal black ink with, yeah, erasable. So never been a big fan of these pens because they're not bold enough for me, and when you do erase they kind of smear and leave behind regardless, so I don't like it. And so like this is one of the items that I personally would not care to get. She included washi tape, but I'm not a big fan of washi tape either. Rolls, I mean, because I don't really reuse them. So, but I do like these transparent sticky notebook pages that she included. Or I've gotten a couple in different colors in the last couple of months, so I like those. Journaling cards to include in your planner. This month's box is this beautiful, what is this called? Zip pouch. It's a vegan leather zip pouch. Did I really need it? No. So that's what I'm saying. Like a lot of these extra goodies are kind of the things that I've been like, I don't really need. You can always downgrade subscription boxes and stuff like that. And then she gave out these transparent icon sheets and sticker sheets to unplug, so like an unplug one. Let's see. So a little unplugged, and then this one says unplug, the words. And then she gave a journaling, reflection journal. So you can do like morning reflection, mid check, evening reflection, overall check for the day. So this is really like focusing, this month was like focusing on yourself. What it seems like it's self-care is what I would categorize it under. So I don't know if I'll use this or not. I might just go in one of those piles of throw away later. I've been trying to get really good at not keeping things that I don't use. So this is this month's page finder. It's really pretty. This is what I like, just to update my discount planner, along with these dashboards. So she gave one for February. That says February number 2. And then this beautiful, what is this? The tower. A white rose. So I like these to kind of put in there in my planner. This is 30 ways to maximize time management. Depends or not. If it's something I'm into, I might include in my planner prep, but maybe not. And I'm thinking these are the covers. What are the not dashboard? The cover sheets. Yeah, for your for your cover page. Because, hold on, I'm all over the place with this video. So it says, it takes strength to bloom. So then you will just pair this up behind it if you like that one, or maybe you want the flowers. I'm kind of liking this one. Makes it more, but I don't know why I thought it was more pink this month. So these go with this. That's what I like. And then she gave out these new inserts that are not available on her website, but will be. And these are the weekly number 27 hourly appointment. And they are only have just an hourly layout from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. So you can do time clock here, Monday to Wednesday on one page, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday grouped together. So I don't know if I'll be using these or not. Like I said, I have my own that I do and that I use, just because I found these look like they're a little bit bigger, but in the past it seemed like she gave too little bit of room to write in. So even though I had like the classic size, it still felt very small, the writing boxes, just kind of like the half sheet letterbox one. And to me it was like I upgraded it, or I like the classic just so I can have a little bit more room to write and I don't feel like everything's so squished together. But this layout is pretty. I mean, it's an hourly layout, which is what I use. And the column boxes are definitely bigger. So yeah, so we'll see if we use this. So pretty much out of here, I wanted was the the plastic cover sheets with the elastic fan here, the cover, what would these called, also the planner covers that go with it, the page finder just to change mine up, and then these dashboards to switch it up in my planner. So realistically, if I needed to, this is all that I would want to buy and get. Everything else is kind of like, except for March. March, she is including, I've seen a sneak peek, a water bottle. I could probably just add it to my subscription box if I downgrade, and it might be a little bit cheaper. But we'll see if we decide to go with all the stuff that she's going to include or not. It's still a debatable thing. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys again. Bye.